Hey, Sarah, did you finish the math homework last night?
Oh, hey, Amy. Yeah, I managed to get through it. That last question was tricky, though, wasn't it?
Totally. I had to ask my brother for help. How about you?
Same here. It's like they enjoy making us scratch our heads. By the way, did you hear about the basketball game this weekend?
Yeah, I heard there's a big match against Greenfield. Are you going?
Definitely. I love cheering for our team. Do you think they'll win?
I hope so. It's going to be so much fun. Oh, speaking of fun, any plans for the weekend?
Not really, just the basketball game. What about you?
Same. Keeping it low key. Maybe catch up on some Netflix. Have you watched that new series everyone's talking about?
Not yet, is it good?
Yeah, it's pretty addictive. We should totally watch it together sometime.
Sounds like a plan. Let's do that after the basketball game on Saturday.
Perfect. Looking forward to it. Anyway, we better get to class. Don't want to be late again.
You're right. See you later, Amy.
See you, Sarah.